Tumbleweed Garage.
Turn you this way. It's gonna be like right here. Are you holding it? Bingo. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Oh, a good boy. Who's a good boy? You're a good boy. Huh?
I hope it's gonna be a pot. That was gonna be a good dad.
Okay, so come on the inside. So watch your head.
Like here?
Yep, stand up in there.
Shouldn't ask Lily.
Here, come on. Watch your head. I welded in this square tube piece to act as a brace. I'm not sure if there's a correct terminology for it. Basically, when I put this plate on here, the bolts that are going to go for the engine mount, which where did I put it? So the engine mount bolts onto here, and the bolts go all the way through the frame and come out the other side. So I didn't want to have a void there where the bolt, when I tighten it down, squeezes these together and just kind of mushes the frame parts. So this kind of just acts as something for it to press against and be nice and solid right there. So this is the replacement piece that's going in. So that's the original part. Oh, here's the engine mount right here in front of me. This is going to bolt in like that. Alright, pause on that. We got a problem, huh?
Yes.
Our bike's broken. What do we got? Customer says when she pedals, it doesn't go anywhere. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, that'll do it. Your chain's off. Thank you. Very helpful.
Yeah, the kids realize it has wheels.
You're in business. Man, this thing is annoying. Oh, I hate these things. But oh yeah, we're welding this in. They're much improved over how it was at the start before I did any of this. I think it'll hold. I'm pretty excited about it. I'm confident in my welds. I mean, they're not good looking, but so there's the original piece on the passenger side. And then right here's the new one. And then this guy, once I get this piece cleaned up, it's gonna go right there. Okay, so hold the end on that end. Hook the tape on like that.
Okay.
Now, where's 15 1/2 at?
Yeah.
Right here. Okay. No, because that's a 1/2 inch, but there's 1 and then a 1/2. So like right there.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm gonna. Okay. All the way from there to the other end. No, up against. Put it up against the edge like that.
this big?
Alright, and there's the finished repair. Hand made that piece from scratch. Added in some extra bracing right here. These are the engine mounts that I'm gonna re-bolt onto the sides on both sides. Oh yeah. I'm gonna flip this thing over because there's some welds on the bottom all across it that I couldn't really get to. I didn't want to lay on my back. I didn't want to be in an awkward position. I'm gonna flip this thing over and do the other side. Alright, that side is extended about 2 inches. Because I'm not using the original leaf springs, the mounting locations are a little bit off. So I have to mount it just slightly forward. So I'm going to extend this side just like I did that. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, both sides have been extended a couple inches. Not the prettiest welds once again, but I think they'll hold. But once I flip this thing over, because right now it's upside down, I'll flip it over, weld the bottoms on both sides, and then that part will be done. And then I'll start locating the leaf spring hangers for the front and back, start mounting suspension parts.